Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. So today I will share how we want to rename all these channels. We have so many input channels and so many output channels. It will be very confusing if the name is only channel 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we need the features to rename the thing to something that we can understand or we can react very fast. So how are we gonna change the name? So as you can see from here, this channel 3 I have renamed to my name. So let me demonstrate another channel for you. Let's say channel 5. So we have selected channel 5 and we go into the channel's name. So click 2 times. The click 1 time is the sign. The second time you go to this channel page. So we want to rename it. We need to press on this channel 5 name and hold for a few seconds. Okay, once it's done, you can put your name. Let's say Eric 2. Once you're done, enter. So we have our Eric 2 here. And let's say we're back to all our videos. And we have our Eric 2 here. So that is how you rename your channels to something that you are familiar with. So I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.